How to enable or disable surround sounds on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, here in your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to sounds. Here in sounds, go to sound mode settings. And now you can see here the surround sounds. And the surround sounds is enable. And if this enable, surround sounds uses DTS Virtual X to deliver an immersive surround sound experience from the TV's internal speakers. And if you want to disable or turn off the surround sounds, okay, you can uncheck or turn off the switch button on the right side of these surround sounds. And that's it. We have successfully disabled or turn off the surround sounds. And if you want to enable again or turn on, just switch to on the switch button on the right side of these surround sounds. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled surround sounds on the Devant Smart TV.